Welcome to Gaming Fin, your channel for everything related to the gaming industry and the financial markets. And for you, here is my portfolio update on this 5th of July 2023. And we're going to dive into this big news for the Embracer stock, and then I have some minor news, and we're going to have a closer look at some of the charts. So guys, some of you were asking me, so actually the last video was quite successful for my small channel. So if you're new to my channel, so welcome. Some people were asking me, how do I invest? So as you can see, I mostly invest very diversified. So that's actually one of my major strategies. So why do I invest so diversified? It's simply because I don't know which company is going to make it. So it's something when someone comes and tells you, so hey, I know this gaming company is going to be the major company, the gaming company in the future that is so successful and the stock goes up. So guys, I don't have this crystal ball. I don't have it in my repertoire, so I cannot play with this. So, but I can see which companies I like a lot, where I see good numbers of companies, of course, and where I also like the games of the companies, because that's the magic of my channel. So I also invest as a gamer, not only as someone that likes stocks. So of course I'm not a financial advisor, just YouTuber, information entertainment purposes only. You make your own mind. And we have here now my portfolio. So market value $62,000, so we are still in the overall in the plus. So obviously this is due to Microsoft, because Microsoft really pulls out my gaming portfolio here, and today was a very bad day, 1.4%. That's a lot for a diversified gaming portfolio. So it means overall the gaming sector was falling today. So CD Projekt 5.5% down. This hurts, of course, since I have 10% of the gaming portfolio is now in CD Projekt, and you can see I'm still over 30% down. Unity down, Bloober down. I really don't know why Bloober is down, so I have to inquire a little bit more here. And then I bought a new stock. I bought Nexon. I bought it actually at the Frankfurt Stock Exchange in euros. So here it's now written in dollars, and it's an ADR. So Nexon is a South Korean company. We will have a short look into this company shortly after this, after the presentation of the portfolio, guys. So you see, the first tranche I was buying is like $270. It's a very small tranche, so obviously now I'm already down 3%. So I'm already down, probably because I bought or I also paid like €3 for the order. Then Playtika is down today, but overall I'm 50% up here. Playway is down. That's unfortunate. And Ubisoft is down. So Ubisoft is actually going down and going in the direction that I kind of expected. Let's put it like this. So, because I think in Ubisoft we definitely need to see some consolidation. So, ENAD down, Corsair down, Take-Two, Ultimate Games, Digital Pro. So, more or less. So, and then here the companies, I don't really have to mention them, because 1% difference in a day is really nothing to mention. So that's just normal. So, and then I bought a little bit Team 17 for 340 British pence, you could call it pound pence. So now here I doubled kind of my position then in Team 17, a company I also like a lot. And as you can see, Starbreeze, nothing is happening on Starbreeze today. So this is I would say one of the most gamble of all the stocks that I have here. And Nacon is actually up. So how come Nacon is up? So, and Embracer is up. So, and now we have to talk about Embracer, guys. So closing here now my portfolio. Embracer Group announces the intention to carry out a directed share issue of approximately 2 billion Swedish crowns through new B shares, and updates net debt target to 8 billion. So that's the big news, my friend. So the share issue will be offered to Swedish and international institutional investors. Embracer Group aims to strengthen its financial position and improve operational flexibility, they say. In line with their restructuring program, they will use the net proceeds from the share issue to reduce their debt target to 8 billion Swedish crowns. So by the end of the fiscal year 23-24, the company's CEO, Lars Wingefors, emphasizes that their operational and financial performance is on track. The subscription price for the share issue will be determined through an accelerated book building procedure. The board of directors believes that a directed share issue is more beneficial than a rights share considering current market conditions. So certain restrictions have been placed on issuing additional shares and selling existing shares for a specific period. So Embracer Group currently has both A and B shares outstanding. So that's the information in this news article. So that I was giving you a summary here. So here you see how many shares are outstanding. So it's, in my opinion, it's diluting. So it's diluting the shares. It's diluting the shares, but it's diluting shares via institutions, and they hope to give new institutions the possibility to buy in Embracer. So with this, they also hope that the shares won't be so diluted. So if we look now at the chart, so interestingly 0.38% up. On the other hand, I don't know at what time, 1730, guys, yeah, actually 1730. So here we go, at 1730 this press release came out, and let's say this is the chart then. 1730 was then the stock market in Stockholm closing, so we can check this very quickly out. Here we go. So this is now the Embracer Group stock in the US. So not a lot actually happened today. So this is the daily chart. So it seems that the news was not really impacting, at least overseas, the stock. So, but we will see tomorrow what this news is going to mean for Embracer stock then in Sweden, because I mean this stock is mostly traded at the Swedish stock exchange or in or probably also in Germany at the stock exchange, and not the ADR in the US. So therefore, I don't know in which direction, because I mean stocks get diluted. Now Lars Wingefors can't sell early his stocks. So, but does this really mean that we're going to the upside? So I don't think this now. So would I short it? Of course, guys, I wouldn't short it. So I mean that would be crazy as well, since the stock is already a lot down. So shorting a stock that fell that much is just suicidal in my opinion. So what I'm doing nothing, and that's fantastic. So when the stock is going to fall a bit more here in this overall red Fibonacci retracement zone, if it's going to fall more, then I consider buying some more, but I'm not buying at the moment, and I'm also just not selling, so I'm fine how it goes. I'm not so happy with Embracer at the moment, I have to admit this. So I'm disappointed by the stock. I expect much more, and what happened here since May 2021 is really a big disappointment, and we have to say this, and probably a lot of things they do now is going to be a disappointment. On the other hand, if I look at Ubisoft, I have to say I'm not that disappointed by Ubisoft. So it's funny to say, but I'm having a much better relationship with Ubisoft. I also regularly buy some more. I have another position, another order to buy some more Ubisoft stocks. I'm not telling you where, at what point do I buy those. I can just tell you that I have another position. So, and I mostly buy stocks when they fall. I don't buy at the moment stocks that go up. So for this, I don't see the market conditions to buy into a strength. So I always buy into weakness. So that's my strategy, and I buy very small positions. So always averaging down. So that's my strategy. I'm not now buying a huge position. So that's not what I'm doing. So I have a lot of orders, a lot of orders, limit orders in the market for a whole bunch of different companies and stocks, and also a lot of gaming stocks. And if they're going to get executed those orders, I'm happy, because they're at some interesting points where other people would probably sell their stocks. That's when I like to buy stocks. So I have a lot of time, so I'm a very long-term investor. And as I told you already, I'm investing in Luxembourg. That means after 6 months, my stocks are tax-free. If I'm selling them after 6 months, I don't pay any tax on the gain. So that's something I have to probably mention here, because people like in Germany, they have another tax situation. People in Switzerland, or let's say in Austria also, probably also if you're from Sweden or from the US or the UK. So that's always something we have to keep in mind. Then CD Projekt, yeah, I just said CD Projekt fell massively today. And if you're looking at the news page of CD Projekt, we don't see anything. So probably it's just like people are disappointed that that the stock was not continuing to go up to get to the 193 zloty Fibonacci retracement, but this is a really strong resistance to the upside, so extremely strong. So if this Fibonacci retracement gets broken, let's say in a sustainable way, then I could imagine that the stock has recovered, and we will go slowly up again. But until then, the stock will accelerate a lot between the 80 and let's say the 200 zloty. So that's a lot. So that's a trader's market. If you look at CD Projekt, it's a trader's market. So I also have another order for CD Projekt in the market, and as I said, I cannot tell you where I have it, because I'm not giving trading advice here in my videos. I'm simply not doing this. I want you to invest for the long term. I want you to invest in gaming companies where you like the games, where you believe in the gaming company. So I'm not a short-term trader in this sense. So, but what we see here, what goes up like a candle comes down mostly like an elevator. So that's something a trader would probably say. All right, guys. So, and then we have Nexon Games. So this is a company that I bought newly in my market, in my portfolio. And who is Nexon? So they make those beautiful Asian titles, so very specific. So maybe games that I probably not really play. I just like actually looking at their trailers. I think they're very cool. So I would not really play the games. It's just not my type of game. The PE ratio is a bit high, therefore I bought a very small position. They have like around about 1,000 employees, founded in 2013. So I bought it at the Frankfurt Stock Exchange, as I told you. And if I'm looking actually here at the financials, I didn't look too deep in the real financial documents, since therefore for this my position is simply too small, that I'm getting too extremely deep into it. But this is just a small position, and I want to see in which direction this now develops. And I also like to have some stocks actually that are trading in the Asian market. So here you see we had even a positive net income in 2022, so that's good to see. So, but I hope also that we see then for 2023 those numbers to continue. But overall, I mean, hey, it's gaming, guys, gaming in Asia, so this must be a success. to keep it simple. So numbers look good, numbers overall look good. Chart looks at the moment, it's a bit high, but on the other hand, everything is possible. And of course, if Nexon Games would go down 50% again, then I would be a happy camper, and then I would like to probably to buy some more. Until then, I'm fine to observe it and see if I can average down. Then the next stock I bought, also my second tranche, is Team 17, the British company. So if you look at the chart, I would say the chart is at the moment it's a nice downward trend. So now on the other hand, I could now wait like half a year more, and then it's also possible that we again 100 pence, £1 lower. So all of this is possible. But since I don't like to wait now, I decided to buy now and hope. This is really hopium, guys. So hope from a mere technical point of view that we have a little rebound. That at one point it could consolidate around 340 pence. So that's also something where I see actually the last trend in 2020 that has started. So in after the whole COVID disaster, so the trend started here. So it's possible that we consolidate here. If we look at the numbers here, income statement, net income positive since 2018. Cool. That's really cool. Net income now went down a bit from 2021. All right. So, and then balance sheet, of course, and cash flow. We can have a short look. So balance sheet. So very superficial, guys. Very superficial. I'm not a financial advisor. Very superficial here. So you see positive cash flow. Cash flow is negative. So cash flow is negative. Yeah. Also, as I told you guys, I have a very small position in Team 17 here. That's 476 pounds. That's small. That's small money for my overall portfolio. Very small. For my gaming portfolio, it's 0.97%. So always keep this in mind. So now I'm 6.67% down. That's only 42 euros for me. So, or dollars. That's really nothing. So on the other hand, CD Projekt, there I'm down almost $3,000. So here I want to see something to be changed. Also Unity, I want to see change. Nexon, I want to see to Nexon, Bloober to keep up like this. Nexon also 0.44%. So also here's room to buy more when it goes down. So because sometimes I have gaming companies, they go up like crazy. So Rovio, I wanted to buy more Rovio, guys. I wanted to get more Rovio. I mean, it's 53% up now. Now I'm going to sell Rovio to Sega Sammy. I wanted to keep Rovio. I thought that's a cool stock, but hey, now I have to sell it. So that's unfortunate. Starbreeze. So I had an order for which was way lower than 0.89 0.89 Swedish crowns. Yeah, that's Swedish crowns. So you see this stock. Oh my god, this stock is so cheap in this sense. But hey, this is a gamble. It's flip the coin. So it goes bankrupt or it's doubling. So just keep this in mind. Therefore 0.24% at the moment. Also other stocks, so like talking about Embracer. So Embracer has to go down again, then I buy more. At this point I'm not buying more. I don't see it in Embracer. So alright guys, so with that I'm leaving it here. Oh my god, again a long video, but hey, I really love showing you my portfolio at the moment, and I see also your reactions to my gaming industry videos. That's pretty cool. And with that, see you next time. Bye bye.